Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from gelainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful flower from orange zest. From ribbon I'm going to make center of my flower. From round shape of my zest I'm going to make with cookie cutter the base for my flower. Cookie cutter is not necessary. We can easily make this flower shape with paring knife. I need to make both pieces as thin as possible. By rolling ribbon, I make the center for my flower. On the base of flower, I'm making cross cut. Cross cut holds the center of flower much better than small round cut. The easiest way to insert the center of flower is turning it in like a screw. We can secure flower with decorative skewer, but if flavor not too important, we can freeze it and serve frozen. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.